yoga instructor.
Yo, did you do that again? Do it again, I said.
Hey, babe, what's wrong?
Buddy, he just spoke.
What? Babe, Buddy barks in his sleep all the time. He's a very barkative dog. Like, what?
Oh, no, he was speaking English and he told me. Yo, you banging the fucking yoga instructor?
What are you talking about?
The dog told me you fucking that bald black bitch.
And you're going to believe the dog?
You goddamn right. You never trust a black yoga instructor.
Babe, just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm.